Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a timetable on Canva by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, make sure that you already download the Canva application on your mobile phone, and after you download it, you just need to click to open it. And this is the look whenever you open the Canva application. And now if you are in this home section, you just need to jump into the search button over here, and you just need to type timetable. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click search, and there will be pop up here like a lot of templates that you can use. You can use the free one if your Canva is in a free mode or free access. If your Canva already in a pro access, you can also are available for using the pro one. Okay, now you just need to find out the best template that you want to have. For example, this one, and you just need to wait until your project is prepared. Now if you are not like the color, you just need to go click this part and change the color by click this color part, and now you can start choosing the color that you want to have. You can also click this part and start finding the best color that you willing to have. And whenever you're done, you just need to go back and go click this X button. And now after that, if you want to have the agenda here, you just need to like copy this part. So click this hours part, this, and after that duplicate this one, and you just need to drag it into the right side, and make sure that you got a large or a long space by drag this part into the right side to get more space. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to go click it and start typing that you want to have. So the daily schedule, sometimes you do at 8 is wake up, so you just need to type wake up, and after that you just need to go type done. If you feel that this font is quite difficult to be read, you just need to change this font by go click this part. And now you just need to start find out the best font that you want to have for your timetable. And after you find it, you just need to go click this X part, and now you are done. And you can just do the rest by click this part and duplicate the text, adjusting the positions, click the text and stop typing your activities here, and just go click done whenever you finished. And that's the way how to create timetable easily on a Canva application. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe, and discover more and more video tutorial through this channel. See you for the next video.